Hey, friends! Are you ready to draw the cutest puppy ever? Grab your paper, a pencil, and some crayons. Let's get started. First, let's draw a big oval right in the middle of your paper. That's going to be our puppy's face. Now, on top of the oval, draw 2 floppy ears. Make them look like big, soft rainbows, one on each side. Next, let's give our puppy a nose. Right in the middle of the oval, draw a tiny oval for the nose. Under the nose, draw a little line down and then curve it to make a smiling mouth. You can even add a little tongue if you want. Okay, now for the eyes. Draw 1 circle on each side of the nose. Inside each eye, add a small dot and color it in that makes your puppy look super sweet. Let's add the body. Draw a big rounded shape under the head, kind of like a jelly bean. Then, for the legs, draw 2 straight lines coming down from the body for the front legs and 2 more behind for the back legs. Finish them with little ovals for paws. Don't forget the tail. On the side, draw a wiggly line and make it fluffy. Puppies love wagging their tails. Time to color. Pick any color you like, brown, black, white, or even purple. Color in your puppy and add spots, a collar, or whatever you want. Make it your own. And there you have it, a super cute puppy. Don't forget to show your drawing to someone you love. If you had fun, hit like and subscribe for more easy art fun. See you next time, little artists.